Welcome back, Cyprus user. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the costing methods available into the Cyprus. Before we'll go into the depth of all the costing method, I just want to tell you that there are going to be 7 costing method available into the Cyprus ERP. One is the average invoice, that is also known as moving average, weighted average. Then we have the average PO, that is also known as moving average PO, moving average weighted average PO. Then we have last invoice, last PO, price, standard costing, FIFO, that is first in first out, and LIFO, that is last in first out. Onto the other end, there are going to be 3 costing levels. That is client, it means that the cost would be generated at the star organization, and if the cost is generated into the star organization, it means that the cost for all the legal entities remains same. The another one is going to be the organization, that is utilized when you want to calculate the cost of each product based on organization. So if you have, let's say, 2 legal entities, and if you want to procure in both the legal entities, then the system will maintain the price for both the legal entities, and your cost would be calculated at the level of the organization. And the last one is going to be the batch/lot, that is basically to calculate the cost of the product based on your attributes. So the system give you the feasibility that you would be able to calculate the cost based on attributes. So if you haven't gone through with the attribute setup, then we have already prepared the attribute setup video. I would request that you will go and see how the attribute can be set up and how these attribute would be linked with the transactions, and thereafter these attributes would be utilized to calculate the cost. So these are the costing method and the costing level. So at the product category level, you would be able to link all these costing methods and the costing level. If you haven't linked anything at the level of the costing method and the costing level onto the product category at accounting tab, in such a case the system will consider the costing method and the costing level from the accounting schema. So whichever would be linked with the accounting schema, the system will calculate the cost of the product in that particular costing method. So that is the little summary about the product cost into the Cyprus ERP system. And that's all in this particular video. Into the upcoming video, we are going to give you the details for all the costing methods one by one, and thereafter you would be able to understand that how the costing methods works into the Cyprus ERP system. Till then, thanks a lot. Bye bye. If you like our video, then I would request you to subscribe our channel. Till then, thanks a lot. Bye bye.